Cox and San Diego Oasis have partnered for a number of years now. We've got a great relationship. I know that here at Oasis, they are really passionate about making sure that their population is up to date on current technology.
The application should look like a little pin.
So the Cox Tech Tank came about after a lot of discussions about how we could tailor support for older Americans. They could come to Oasis, and Cox at the Tech Tank would be able to support them with any questions that they may have had at their speed in an area that's comfortable for them.
And then you have to go until you find privacy.
Right now, technology is such a desired topic for older adults and people in general, but specifically older adults, especially after the pandemic. We realize that there's a big gap in helping these folks learn what they need to know to connect to family, friends, doctors, other people in the community. So this partnership is allowing us to provide that technology learning that people desire. It gives people the opportunity to have hands-on application, have their questions answered in one-on-one sessions so that they can have that individual time. We have these wonderful demonstrations that people can come in and learn about things just that everyone wants to know. Internet, streaming services, stuff that gets you through your everyday life.
What we talked about is Lyft and Uber. When I grew up, we had a bat and a ball and a glove, and we went out in the field. That was our recreation. Nowadays, kids are doing this. It's just the way it is. That's where we have evolved. And you can become conversant here when you take courses like are offered here and expose yourself to the high quality of information imparted as well as the instructors.
Okay, all right, so we'll go back to search here.
Yeah, but when you're using maps, it's important that you push that button because that button is red right now. It should be blue.
That's our present location.
Yes. I help the members that come in here with specific questions or issues that they may have with technology, and I can give them individual one-on-one help. I can also do workshops that are focused on a single topic like Google Maps, Bluetooth, Uber, and go over them how to use the application.
2, 1. Recently, we had a very exciting grand opening. We invited some local elected officials along with leadership from Cox and leadership from Oasis, and we celebrated this space. That was a long time coming.
Oasis has such an amazing community of seniors that are doing that with each other in different aspects. To see them adopt technology, learn it, teach it to their spouse, be able to interact with their grandchildren, it's pretty phenomenal. As technology continues to improve here at our Tech Tank, seniors can actually really understand the latest and the greatest in ways just to make their lives more secure and safe and easier for them to age in place.
As everyone has transitioned to a digital world, it's really important that we not just provide the technology, but we also provide the education to use the technology to ensure that everyone gets the most out of their experience online.
It was several years of planning and a lot of delays, and through the pandemic, I think that our passion was really to get this space up and running. We really realized that there's an entire population out there that has been really left out. And we wanted to be able to change that. We wanted to be able to let them know that this is a space for them, and this is a space so that they can remain connected.
I am not good at tech work, but I've taken classes and I've come in here now in the new Tech Tank and was able to get some help, and I'm so happy for that. So we're going to get a lot of people, and it's going to help the older generation be able to do things that we didn't think we could do.
Our goal at Cox is really to make sure that we're building connections that are meaningful. And what we wanted to do at the Cox Tech Tank is we really wanted to make sure that no one was left behind and that they could continue making those important connections.